I always tell myself, what a journey. Coming from refugee campus in Iran all the way to work at the White House when I was working as a journalist is quite remarkable. Sometimes I really do not believe in myself that I have gone through all of this. I wake up 4 in the morning every day. I go to work, I go to school, I have family, I have 2 jobs, I work 65 hours a week. I have not told them my story so far because they're in a young age and I just don't want to traumatize them at this young age, but in the future probably I'll write my book and then they can learn about me as a person, and also I want them to learn about the Kurdish history, at least a part of it that I have lived. For me, you can forgive a genocide, but you cannot forgive the denial at all.
بس ئەوان بۆکەم باوکیان چەند کەسێکە کە لە خاڵێکی بچووکەوە لە دیکشنەریەکەوە لە قاموسێکەوە دەستی کردووە بە خۆفێرکردن، چونکە زۆربەی ئەو ئیشانەی کە خۆی کردوێتی کە پێی گەشتووە ئێستا هەمووی ئیشی خۆ کردوێتی.
I have never let my past to define now, even though it's sometimes very hard emotionally. But now I own my life. I am the CEO of my own life. I know what I am trying to do, what I am trying to achieve.
کە ئەم دایک باوکە لە چۆوە هاتوون؟ ئەوانی پێشووتر چۆن بوون؟ تۆ جیاوازتربی لە ئەوان.
When you survive a genocide, the question is how you're going to see yourself. Are you going to see yourself as a victim, that you want people to feel bad for you, feel pity on you, or you're going to see yourself as a survivor? If you're going to see yourself as a survivor, you really don't have any excuse not to be successful in life, because that makes you probably one of the most powerful people in the world.